Hi, this is Shalini. I took classes from Multitech Institute in New Delhi, and I am 100% satisfied with the classes and what I have learned. Not only was it theory, but I got chance to practically work on the laptop, to fix the laptops and see how I could fix any issues which were in the laptop. The staff was very cooperative. They accommodated me with my schedule, and I'm very thankful for that. And most of all, the teacher, I'm very grateful to him. He understood my limitations and he tried to help me wherever I could. I had no background in computers, but he made it so simple that I could understand everything that he explained. I feel 100% confident today that I can fix a laptop if it breaks down. And thanks to Multitech Institute.